with my thug, right? Sound with my thug, right? Sound with my thug, right? Smash on the street, smash on the street. Ay. When you're getting closer, just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up.
Yo, guys, this shit is lit. Oh, we lit right now. Let me tell you some creepy shit that just happened. I'm listening to the song again because you guys are like, yo, listen to the background. You're gonna hear the other members, and all I can hear is Nam June so far. And I'm listening to it, and then all of a sudden I get the notification of this. This is going to be good gravy. I was hoping we got another MV. I'm kind of wanting it for fucking piece of Hang Sang, but I'll take anything I can get. Especially with the airplane, you know, JHOPE's like feels song. They even know they all feels, but you know what I'm talking about. So with no further need to be said, let's jump into the good graviness that is Hope Live. Oh my God, 5 days at the #1 spot. 5 times days, #1 spot. We're gonna hide this shit soon. This is prepared for it right there. Ooh. Oh my God, this is happening again. MVs again. Hey. Oh, we got that little curly shit going on. I like it like that. You're a shooting star. That should be you, homie. Oh, look at the dopiness. Look at it. Oh, that spinning shit's working for him. You already get dizzy looking at him. In the bright sight light. Nice shot. Airplane. I'm gonna try to listen to the other members as well. Whoa! Yo, man. They be giving him the shots. I gotta keep my height and stomach. I gotta really examine. Look at that whip with him, though. You see? He looked like the K-pop McLaren, and remind me of Back to the Future right now in that scene area. My bucket? That was lit. Yeah? Oh, white baby. That color. You next to yo, it's the mirror. That's a mirror. That's what it was. That was a mirror. Hey. Yo, my man is bringing 90s back in 2018. Come on now, this is 90s swag. Am I lying? He's slaying it, bro. Bring it back. I'm with it. Whoa. I'm getting too excited. I'm sorry. This is Hope. Woo. Looking like an angel right there. That shit sounds beautifully. That's like you when you come up in the morning, you know the sun? Yo man, I don't know where they be getting these fucking rooms from, but thank you. This is fucking Hobie, baby. Drop it, boom, boom. That's his mic drip. Hey. This is like, you don't even like see the dancer side in him. You just see the like, you know. Look at the boys. I just realized the boys in the back. Oh my God, we're playing this back again and I'm listening to it again just for the boys in the back. This is too hype. Come on now. In his own mixtape, he's still hyping his boys up. His brothers up. Come on now. Hope we playing this back again, don't worry. You're gonna be walking that same scene right back. Here we go. Hey, this is my reaction. I'm playing it twice. Because it's very nice. Now we can do it nice. We can, maybe the excitement is all like, shh, it's already out there. So now we can just really enjoy it. That's a nice shot. Alright, now let's do our investigation work. That's lit. Oh man, Hobie. This young man. Oh, that not today. Just cleaned up. Renovated. One of you guys told me he wrote this song because of the sky and shit like that, made him feel like mine was childhood, and I felt the same way. That's the one thing in this world that never changes, but is always the same. You know what I mean? Like you'll never catch the same clouds, but yet it'll always be like that. I don't know. Great thing. Hold up. Pause that for a second. I know we got the subs. We gotta learn the words. Butterfly just on my stomach. Everywhere. Oh, every day, baby boy. Look at I'm getting so excited. I forgot to put the captions because I don't even care about the captions sometimes. Just listen to that. That's all you need. That's all you need. I love that barren land part. It's like trying to tell you, remember where that fire started from. Remember where Simba caught his flame from. I know that too well, Hopi. You got mad airplanes to this side. That's right. Look at it. He's in the clouds right there. That is cloudage right there. It's like cloud and water. How? We're in his domain, the clouds, you know? The sun. He's the one who be parting those clouds. I love the airplane mode. Still not even reading the lyrics. I just love the way this shit sounds. Oh man. If I was all about the lyrics, man, I wouldn't be in the fucking K-pop. I can't understand it, right? It's not about understanding it. It's about feeling it. I understand it with my soul, not with my language. Airplane! That's part of Siga Massa. The boys! Airplane! What? That is the boys, right? Watch me be wrong. Parking A. I was not today. There you go. There we go, guys. Yo man, that was good gravy just right there. I hope you enjoyed the reaction. I'm so happy for the boy. I'm so happy that he's got his 2 right there and they're all splendid. Oh, I love him indeed, I do. I was actually just getting ready to make a video for my top songs of the Hixtape. And that will be coming out a little later now because I got this to edit. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed my good gravy reaction. Look on the channel, there's not much here yet. There will be more. I'm gonna check you guys in the next Good Gravy video, so until then, subscribe. I'm gonna be coming out with some newness, doses,